Hi folks, I'm Jemiah Sias and welcome to the Uptime 2023 edition. New Relic is poised to have an incredible year coming hot off the heels of all of our success in 2022 with updates like providing logs and context with your application metrics and traces inside of our observability platform. And let's dive into the latest and greatest updates since you saw me last. Now, it's no secret that so much of the work we do relies on context. Whether it's a tree falling in a forest or a container crashing in a cloud, knowing that it happened is only the start of the process, which usually involves discovering a lot of other details, including whether or not I'll still have a job after this outage is fixed. And that's why I'm really excited about our new collaboration feature. So stop weaving a tapestry of tabs with all of your Slack messages, log data, alert emails, and more within your team. And what if, now this is crazy, what if your telemetry data, visualizations, and team debates about how to best fix a problem all lived in one easy to read stream? Now you can comment on any page in the platform and have contextual discussions right alongside your data, letting you keep feedback where the action happens, and team discussions and workflows are streamlined. Institutional knowledge is captured, and both the specific event and data, as well as prior discussions and resolutions, are put into context. You can also integrate your Slack workspace with New Relic, syncing discussions both ways and allowing all team members to collaborate seamlessly while keeping the information where it's useful. For more details on our new collaboration feature, check the show notes. So let's say you're a dev sitting at your devy desk doing devy things when the security team stops by and drops a fresh steaming pile of discoveries on you. And so now you have to stop what you're doing and work on that. But what about the regular work you had planned? You just can't ignore security issues, right? And what would be great is if you could see security issues as you're doing your devy things and work on your security stuff the same way you'd work on your regular bug or feature requests. And that's exactly what New Relic Vulnerability Management gives you. You instantly get vulnerability insights across your application dependencies without any additional configuration, and even hear of new vulnerabilities when they're first introduced into your source code or runtime environment, so you can quickly assess the most urgent risks in your applications and then address exposure with remediation guidelines based on known issues. You also get an open ecosystem that allows you to import security signals from your existing assessment tools. New Relic Vulnerability Management is also a part of our unified APM experience that allows you to see security, performance, and availability issues in one connected experience so you can lower the overall risk of your tech stack with less toil. If you already have a New Relic account, you can start using this right away with any account, including our free tier. To get started using New Relic Vulnerability Management, log into your account now and check the show notes for more details. So we all know observability is a growing priority as everyone in industry continues to shift workloads to multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments while incorporating the complex mass that is microservers, serverless, and containers. But maybe you've been in a situation where your boss thinks observability solutions are just too expensive to implement. And the good news is, they won't have to cash in their Star Wars action figures to get all the logs you need. But maybe your boss didn't know that we introduced tiered user pricing, a savings plan, and a volume plan to help you plan effectively with our predictable per user pricing. And I'm gonna leave a link here to our white paper about observability as a priority and a link to our pricing model paper. If you want to check them out, you can, and I'll end my used car salesman spiel. Now that's all the news that's fit to stream, but if you want more updates from New Relic, you know what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can hear more from us, and I'll catch you next time on the Uptime.